Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Pokemon TCG Pocket error code. So if you are seeing an error code in Pokemon TCG Pocket, here's a general troubleshooting guide to fix most common issues. Number one, you need to check your network. So network error or connection failed, unable to connect to server or network error. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and you need to toggle airplane mode on and off if you're using your phone. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also go to speed test and check if your network is stable. Number two, log in or log out. Account error. So authentication failed or unable to log in. Make sure your Pokemon Trainer Club or Nintendo account is correct. If you're using Apple, Google login, ensure you're signed in properly. You need to clear cache and go to device settings, app, Pokemon TCG Pocket, storage, and then clear cache. Next is a data or update error. So you need to check for app updates in the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone App Store, try clearing cache or storage, uninstall and reinstall the application. Now, if the problem is device not supported or crash error, the app closes immediately. You need to ensure you meet device minimum requirements or update your phone's OS. If you're using emulator or rooted device, then app may block usage. And then lastly, general fixes. You can restart your phone, ensure your time and date is set to automatic, check up permissions, log in and log out into your account. So basically, these are the ways to fix this Pokemon TCG Pocket error code. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.